In this video, I am going to guide you on how to enable dark mode in the Moovn app. Using dark mode can make the app easier on your eyes, especially during nighttime use. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Moovn app on your mobile device. 2. Tap on the profile icon or menu button in the top left or top right corner. 3. Scroll down and find the settings option. 4. Tap on settings to open the settings menu. 5. Look for the display or appearance section. 6. Tap on it to view theme options. 7. Select dark mode or toggle the switch to enable it. 8. The app interface will instantly switch to dark mode. You have successfully enabled dark mode in the Moovn app. This helps reduce eye strain and saves battery on OLED screens.